Hello and welcome from Hikvision. I'm Paul Kaler and I look after commercial displays. Today we're going to be taking a look at our interactive flat panels, part of the commercial display range. We have two ranges available in the UK. The A series, which is a cost-effective solution for use in the education sector, has all the features you will need for the classroom. Android system for walk-up and use functionality, whiteboarding, enhanced audio, wireless screen sharing and Bluetooth connectivity make it a perfect fit for your digital learning space. This is the B series. This comes with all of the functionality of the A series but has the addition of a built-in 4K camera and an array of 6 microphones, making it perfectly suited for the corporate sector. Both A and B series are available in 55, 65, 75 and 86-inch sizes. So let's have a closer look at the hardware design of our interactive panels. It's an attractive grey design. The screen is optically bonded. This is an advanced industrial design where we join the glass and display layers as closely as possible to enhance the touch experience. So I'm just going to demonstrate this on Windows in Paint. Compared with traditional manufacturing designs, the optical bonding screen provides a much more fluid writing experience. The panel's resolution is 4K and delivers the best image quality. It also has a blue light filter, filtering up to 90% ultra shortwave blue light, as well as having the option to automatically adjust the brightness based on the environment. With these wonderful features, we have provided the best viewing experience. In order to drive the screen, at the bottom we have 2 pens which are attached via magnets. So when we look at the side of the panel, we can see there's an abundance of connectivity: 2 HDMI, USB touch, 2 USBs for connecting devices, USB drives, cameras, etc. HDMI out, useful for replicating your screen to another display, and audio in and audio out 3.5mm jack. So included in the cost of the screen and in the box is a wall mount for your chosen screen size. If you need your display to be easily moved between rooms, we have an attractive mobile stand available for all sizes as an optional extra. Of course, you can connect your existing desktop or laptop and utilise your existing programs. Here we're using our optional OPS device, which delivers a true walk-up experience. Even though we have 2 distinct ranges, A and B, we do provide optional webcams and microphones for those wishing to add these after installation. Now moving on, how to set up the interactive displays and make the most of its functionality. So once you've powered up your device, you'll see the home page, which will give you the time, date, and also show 4 icons where you've got access to your wireless screen sharing, which is Hikshare, whiteboard functionality, file browser, and settings. These are the default icons and can be changed by simply holding, replace, and it will give you the options at the bottom of the screen. In order to have a look at what's available, just swipe left, and those are the options that you've got available to you. So moving on to the whiteboard, there are some incredibly useful features in here. As you can see, really smooth writing experience. It's very easy to change the colour or change the pen, change the thickness. Erasing, do with my hand, or alternatively, I can erase the whole screen or by section. What's more, we support 20 points of simultaneous touch, and when you've finished, you can save that and share it via QR code or send it, once you've configured your email, to the participants, or save it to the device as a picture, JPEG, PDF or virtual whiteboard. This makes it a real time saver for participants of the meeting or the lesson. So whether you're working in your Windows environment or in Android, it's really easy to annotate anywhere. Simply select one of the pens, select Annotate, select your pen. If you wish, change the colour, and away you go. Delete by using your hands, or select. If I wanted to save that, select the save icon. I can save that directly to the device, or I can save that again through the QR code. So now we're going to talk about wireless projection or screen mirroring. This enables wireless sharing of your PC, Mac, Android or iOS device. You can even control your PC remotely from the screen. This is a very powerful function and incredibly useful in meetings or lesson environments. In order for the screen mirroring to work, your device and the screen need to be running on the same Wi-Fi network. In certain circumstances, it may not be possible to access the same network. For example, in a business setting with guest and corporate networks, our display can be set up with its own hotspot to enable sharing for guests. There are a couple of ways to access this functionality. First, using your native screen mirroring on your device. I'm using an iPad here. Swipe down the control center, select screen mirroring icon, select the device, enter the code when asked, and now I'm sharing my screen. I can still annotate as I did before, and I can share that or save it. We can support up to 4 screens simultaneously sharing at one time. The second way to share to the interactive display is to use the free Hikshare software, which you can download from hikshare.com. Not only does the software enable sharing content from your PC, Mac or Android device, but enables sharing from the interactive display and the ability to write or control the screen remotely. This enables participants to comment or answer questions without needing to leave their seats. So when I select TV Mirror in the software, you can now see the interactive display, which I can, from my laptop, scroll around and annotate over. All of this functionality can be managed within the Hikshare app settings on the interactive display. Moving between the Android environment, PC or OPS is a straightforward operation. The names of the inputs can be changed in the settings of the interactive display. Here we have System for the Android and PC for the OPS. Hikvision provide optional OPS computers, which mean you can have a fully featured Windows 10 PC installed in your screen, giving you a walk-up and use device for meeting rooms or classrooms. Of course, you can install whichever programs you choose. For example, we've installed Zoom on this OPS, which works very well with the integrated camera and microphones of the B series panels. I hope you found this brief product demonstration video useful. Don't forget to visit our website as shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you'd like more information, including additional demo videos, search Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube. Bye for now.